Do you struggle with getting enough sleep every night? Perhaps because your bedroom is too overwhelming. If there's too much clutter in your bedroom, it can be hard to get a good night's sleep. Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about 5 tips for organizing your bedroom here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and I have seen my fair share of cluttered bedrooms. And I know personally that I like to have a very organized bedroom. It makes it easier for me to just go in and get a good night's rest each night. So let's talk about tips that you can use to help organize your bedroom. Part of the problem, I think, is that for many of us, the bedroom has become more of a multi-purpose area. We can exercise in our bedroom, read, watch TV, sew, even pay bills. The challenge is that we need to maintain a relaxing, calming space that allows us to sleep well every night. So here is my first tip for organizing your bedroom. You want to designate a specific area for each activity and put like items together. Now, if you are having too much trouble sleeping at night because there's so much going on in your bedroom, you may want to relocate some of these items to a different room. Maybe your bedroom is not the place to have your home office space. Maybe your bedroom is not the place to have your workout area. Maybe it is. Maybe you just needed to put things into zones. So you can try the zoning first, and then you can decide if you need to relocate items to a different room. My second tip for organizing your bedroom is to revamp the vanity. So you want to contain every type of item to make it easy to access and easy to find. You can keep perfumes, lotions, powders on a decorative tray, but make sure you check for expiration dates because even those things expire. Go through your jewelry annually and toss things out if they're broken or missing their mates, like one earring. You can also donate items that you are not using or that you don't love anymore. And put your loose change in some kind of container, like a jar or a piggy bank, and secure your paper bills with a money clip or use a wallet. Tip number 3 for organizing your bedroom is to redo the dressers. Use your dresser drawers to store things like socks, underwear, and bulkier items that are best kept folded up, like sweaters and sweatshirts. You can also use dresser drawers for storing extra bed linens, especially if your linen closet is not accessible or doesn't have enough room. This is a big tip for organizing your bedroom, and that is to declutter your closets. Now, to do that, you want to take everything out of the closet, get rid of the excess hangers, and take the wire hangers to the dry cleaners. Take the other types of hangers to the charity of your choice. Sort your clothes into 3 types: the ones that you want to keep, the ones that you want to donate, and the ones that you want to toss. Any item that's torn or beyond repairs, that's something that you can discard or toss away. Donate clothes that aren't in your current size. You just want to keep the outfits that you like and feel good wearing. You don't want to have a closet full of clothes that aren't serving your best life right now or are a reminder that they don't fit you. That's no way to start the day. Arrange the clothes that you are keeping by season, by style, and or by color. And hang the matching separates together. Hang coordinated accessories like belts and purses together with the outfit that they go with. My final tip for organizing your bedroom is to spend 5 or 10 minutes a day maintaining this newly organized space. And how do you do that? Well, you store it where you use it. And after you use it, store it. Put your dirty clothes in a hamper each night instead of tossing them on a chair or on the bed or on the floor. If an item can be worn again before you need to wash it, hang it up as soon as you take it off. You may have a special place in your closet, for example, for clothes that can be worn a second time. And you put them in a separate place so that you know I've worn this before, but I can still wear it one more time. Keep a bag in your closet for donations, and whenever you no longer like an item, instead of hanging it up again, just put it in the bag. And when the bag is full, you know that it's time to take it to your favorite charity. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.